We're going to be late. Where are your shoes? Why are you still in your underwear? Does that sound like your house at 7 a.m.? Because for a long time, that was my house. I used to start every single day frustrated. I was stressed. My kids were crying, and we usually arrived at school sweating and grumpy. Mornings are the bottleneck of parenting. You have a strict deadline, tired children, and about 50 tasks to complete in just under 30 minutes. But I made a few changes. I stopped managing my kids in the morning and started training them. Today, I'm showing you the exact routine and the when-then rule that took our mornings from chaos to actually being able to drink my coffee while it's still hot. Here is the golden rule of parenting. Morning success starts the night before. The enemy of a smooth morning is decision fatigue. If you are asking your child, what do you want for breakfast, or which shirt do you want to wear at 7 a.m., unfortunately, you've already lost that battle. Their brains are tired. Your brain is tired. In my house, we do a Sunday reset to prep for the week, but we also do a mini reset each and every night. I let my kids choose their clothes the night before. We check the weather app together. Is tomorrow going to be a shorts day or a pants day? Once they pick, that's it. The clothes go on the chair, in our case, and that's going to eliminate the 20-minute battle over the scratchy dinosaur t-shirt. When they wake up, there are no decisions to make. They just put the clothes on that they picked out the night before. Okay, so the clothes are ready, but how do you stop nagging? Brush your teeth, get your bag, put on your shoes. I felt like a broken record. The solution is to fire yourself as the manager and hire a visual routine chart. Young kids, especially toddlers and preschoolers, they're visual learners. They get overwhelmed by auditory commands. So I made this simple chart. You can print one or draw it. When my child asks, what do I do now? Or is wandering around aimlessly, I don't have to give orders. I just point to the chart and say, check your list. What is next? This is important because it builds independence. It makes them responsible for the process. And honestly, they listen to the piece of paper much better than they would listen to me. Now, what happens if they just refuse to do the list? They're dragging their feet, playing with Legos, staring at the wall. This is where the magic really happens. It's called the when-then rule. Now, a lot of parents will say, if you get dressed, I'll give you a treat. That is a bribe. Or stop playing, or I'm taking the iPad away. That's a threat. Instead, structure your mornings so the have-tos unlock the want-tos. When you are dressed, have your shoes on, and your teeth are brushed, then you can watch TV or play until it's time to go. Note that I said shoes on. This is critical. You do not let them touch a toy or screen until they are 100% ready to walk out the door. If they procrastinate, if they dawdle, well, they lose their playtime. And you don't have to yell. You just say, oh man, you took a long time to get dressed, so we don't have time for TV today. Maybe tomorrow we can be faster. Natural consequences are the best teacher. Now, my final quick tip is this. Create a launch station. Shoes do not belong in the bedroom. They belong by the door. Backpacks do not belong on the sofa. They belong on the hook. Train your kids that the moment they walk in the house, the launch station is reloaded for the next day. If the shoes are always by the door, you never have to hunt for them at 7:55 a.m. Look, mornings are hard. You are human and they are tiny humans with really big emotions. But if you prep the night before, you use a visual chart, and you stick to the when-then rule, I promise the yelling will go down and the peace will go up. I've linked a free printable morning checklist in the description below that you can start using tomorrow. Now, if this video helped your blood pressure, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And tell me in the comments, what is the one thing your child always loses in the morning? For us, it's the left shoe. Always the left one. Thanks for watching, and good luck tomorrow morning.